In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get rid of dark spots, pigmentation, and discoloration on the skin using this effective home remedy that works very fast. So, the first ingredients we're going to make use of is turmeric. Turmeric is very good in clearing dark spots, dark skin patches, and also helping to remove pigmentation. The second ingredient you'll be needing is honey. Honey helps to moisturize the skin, heal the skin, and also remove skin discoloration. Honey is very good and is very natural. It soothes the skin and makes it glow. So after adding the honey, the next ingredient is lemon. Lemon is rich in citric acid, which helps to remove dark spots. Because of the acidic properties of lemon, you have to measure it with a spoon. Don't add more. 2 teaspoons is very okay. So after you have added all this lemon juice, we are going to be using other ingredients which will also help to remove dark spots. You can use coconut oil or mustard oil. I'm making use of mustard oil. It also helps to get rid of flaky skin if you have dry skin, so it will help to get rid of it. After adding the ingredients, you have to mix all together. Mix everything together. After you have mixed, then apply it on the affected areas where you have the dark spots, pigmentation, discoloration. Apply it all over the place. Remember to also use it around your eyes if you have dark circles, because turmeric works very fast to get rid of dark circle on the eyes. After you have applied it on the affected areas, leave it for like 30 minutes, then wash it off